little artists. Welcome back to MR.PAINTER. Today we're going to color someone very famous and very green. Yes, it's Kermit the Frog from the Muppets. Grab your colored pencils and let's hop into it. One of Kermit's coolest parts is his spiky collar. It looks like green sun rays. I'm using a lighter green to make it stand out. Don't forget like my video and subscribe my channel. Let's color Kermit's head. He's a bright froggy green. I'm using a light green pencil for his skin and leaving space for his big smile and eyes. Kermit always looks calm and kind, right? Drawing. What about you, my friend? Do you love drawing? Let's color Kermit's slim body and long arms now. I'm using the same green as his head, but pressing a bit harder to make it bold. Frogs have long limbs, and Kermit sure does too. Want to draw? Let me know in the comments. his eyes. Nice big white circles with black dots in the center. Don't forget his happy red mouth. He's probably about to sing a Muppet song. Doesn't our Kermit look amazing? You did a great job, artist! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to MR.PAINTER for more fun characters. See you next time. Ribbit, ribbit, bye!